Did you know that over 70% of home cooks report ruining at least one non-stick pan within the first year of use, often without realizing what caused the problem? Or maybe you've experienced that disappointing moment yourself. You go to flip a pancake or slide an omelet out of the pan, only to find that your supposedly non-stick cookware is clinging stubbornly to your food. If you've ever wondered why your non-stick pans seem to wear out so quickly, or why food sticks despite your best efforts, you're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of non-stick pan care, sharing tips that actually work so you can keep your pans performing like new and make cooking a more enjoyable experience. Non-stick pans are a staple in most kitchens. They promise easy release, quick cleanup, and hassle-free cooking. But their convenience comes with a catch. They require a little bit of TLC to maintain that magical non-stick surface. Proper care isn't just about keeping your pans looking good, it's about preserving their performance, extending their lifespan, and even protecting your health. When non-stick coatings wear down, not only do you lose the pan's effectiveness, but you can also end up with unwanted chemicals in your food. So, investing a few minutes in the right care routine pays off in tastier meals and longer-lasting cookware. But what really goes wrong with non-stick pans? There are a few common issues people face time and again. Scratches are the #1 culprit, often caused by using metal utensils or abrasive scrubbers. Once the coating is damaged, food starts to stick, and the pan loses its signature smoothness. Peeling is another frequent problem, usually the result of overheating or harsh cleaning products. Finally, residue buildup from oils or cooking sprays can leave a sticky layer that makes even simple tasks frustrating. These problems add up to wasted money, ruined recipes, and unnecessary stress in the kitchen. So let's talk about what you can do to avoid these pitfalls and keep your non-stick pans working their best. First and foremost, choose the right utensils. Always opt for wooden, silicone, or plastic tools when cooking with non-stick pans. These materials are gentle and won't scratch the delicate surface. Even the occasional slip with a metal spatula can cause permanent damage, so make it a habit to reach for soft utensils every time. Temperature control is another critical factor. Non-stick coatings are designed to work at medium or low heat. Cranking the burner up to high not only risks warping the pan, but can also break down the coating, causing it to peel or flake off. Stick to gentle heat, and you'll find your pan lasts much longer, while still delivering perfectly cooked food. When it comes to cleaning, resist the urge to scrub vigorously. Instead, let the pan cool completely before washing it. Sudden temperature changes, like plunging a hot pan into cold water, can cause the coating to crack or separate from the base. Use warm, soapy water and a soft sponge, and avoid steel wool, scouring pads, or harsh detergents. If you're dealing with stubborn residue, fill the pan with warm water and a bit of dish soap. Let it soak for 15 to 20 minutes, and then wipe it clean. You might be tempted to put your non-stick pan in the dishwasher for convenience, but hand washing is always the safer option. Dishwasher detergents are often too abrasive, and the high heat can degrade the non-stick surface over time. Taking a minute to wash by hand is one of the simplest ways to extend the life of your cookware. Another often overlooked tip is to avoid cooking sprays. While they seem harmless, most commercial sprays contain additives that build up on the pan's surface, creating a sticky film that's tough to remove. Instead, use a small amount of butter or oil, applying it with a paper towel to ensure an even, light coating. But what if your non-stick pan is already struggling with residue or lost its slickness? Here's the most effective tip that can truly rescue your pan. A simple cleaning hack that many professional chefs swear by. Mix together a paste of baking soda and water. Spread it across the surface of your cooled non-stick pan and let it sit for about 15 minutes. Then, gently scrub with a soft sponge and rinse thoroughly. Baking soda is mildly abrasive, but gentle enough not to damage the coating. It works wonders in lifting away stubborn stains and restoring the pan's non-stick qualities. You can also perform a routine seasoning to help maintain the surface. After washing and drying your pan, rub a thin layer of vegetable oil onto the interior and heat it on low for a few minutes. Let it cool, then wipe away any excess oil. This creates a protective barrier that enhances the pan's non-stick performance and helps prevent future sticking. Let's recap the key tips for caring for your non-stick pans. Start by using only wooden, silicone, or plastic utensils to prevent scratches. Cook at medium or low temperatures to avoid damaging the coating. Always hand wash with gentle soap and a soft sponge, allowing the pan to cool before cleaning. Skip the dishwasher and steer clear of cooking sprays, opting for a thin layer of oil or butter instead. For tough residue, try the baking soda paste and consider seasoning your pan periodically for extra protection. By following these simple but powerful tips, you can dramatically extend the life of your non-stick pans. Not only will they stay looking new, but you'll enjoy effortless cooking and easy cleanup every time you step into the kitchen. No more scraping stuck on eggs or tossing out pans before their time. Just smooth, reliable performance and delicious results. If you found these tips helpful and want more practical advice for your kitchen, don't forget to subscribe for more insights and hacks that make everyday cooking easier and more enjoyable. Take care of your non-stick pans, and they'll take care of you, making every meal a little bit simpler and a lot more satisfying.